The life of the rich and famous sure looks exciting. You get to live in an over-the-top mansion, travel on private jets, drive luxury cars, wear expensive designer clothes and party with celebrities. But how do you get there? What can you do to become rich? In order to learn how to make money like the rich, it's important to know what they do that makes them so successful and so wealthy. Before we proceed with the topic, please subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos on the topics of how to get rich and live your dream lifestyle. Here are 7 things the rich do that the poor don't. Number 1, the rich are accountable. One of the things that separates the rich from the poor is accountability. The rich are accountable for their money. They keep track of their spending and their income. They have a budget and they stick to it. The poor, on the other hand, often don't even know how much money they have, let alone where it's all going. In fact, many people who live in poverty would be shocked to find out how much money they could make if they just started being more aware of what's coming in and what's going out. And when you're more mindful about your finances, you'll also start attracting more money into your life, because you'll begin thinking about what you want more instead of what you need less. Number 2, they live by a budget. The rich know that in order to build wealth, they must live by a budget. They understand that every dollar must be accounted for in order to make wise decisions with their money. The poor, on the other hand, often live paycheck to paycheck with no real plan for their money. They can't save because there's never enough income to put away. The rich don't just have a millionaire lifestyle. They also invest wisely and take advantage of smart tax deductions. In fact, many millionaires attribute their success not only to living below their means but also learning how to use the law of attraction for money. Number 3, the rich have good time management skills. The rich know how to manage their time, because they understand that time is money. They don't waste their time on things that don't matter, and they make sure to use their time wisely. They also know how to delegate and get help from others, so they can focus on what's important. The poor, on the other hand, often have poor time management skills. They may spend too much time watching TV or browsing the internet, and not enough time working on their goals. Number 4, the rich save and invest for the future. The rich know that saving and investing now will pay off in the future. They are always looking for ways to make more money. The rich also have an abundance mindset, which means they believe there is enough money for everyone. This helps them attract more wealth into their lives. Finally, the rich know how to be patient and let their money grow over time. Number 5, the rich don't go into debt. The rich know that going into debt is a quick way to ruin your financial future. They avoid debt like the plague and instead focus on building their wealth. They understand that if they want something, they need to save up for it and pay cash. While this might seem obvious, many people have trouble with impulse spending. Saving money doesn't have to be difficult either. You can start by making a list of things you need in order of priority, then use coupons or go shopping at discount stores when possible. Number 6, the rich find mentors who will teach them how to make money. Mentors are an important part of how the rich get ahead. They provide guidance, advice, and support when it comes to making money. Mentors can teach you how to be a millionaire, how to build wealth, and how to be rich. By finding a mentor who is already successful, you can learn from their mistakes and take advantage of their knowledge. Building a relationship with a mentor can be incredibly beneficial if you want to get ahead financially. The right mentor will offer both money-making ideas and help you avoid the same mistakes they made. You'll need a lot of patience as well as willingness to put in hard work. Find someone who has done what you want to do before, find out more about them and contact them for mentorship opportunities. Number 7, they always invest in themselves. Rich people follow the philosophy of continuous upgradation of their knowledge and skills. They understand that the world is changing at rapid rate. To be better leaders and top achievers, they need to continuously work on themselves. So, they continue to invest in their learning. Learning also happens through right association. You can find rich people to be a part of elite clubs and forums where the members regularly meet and exchange ideas so they stay ahead in their games. By doing these 7 things, you too can be on your path to riches and prosperity. Like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on forthcoming videos.